In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a LeetCode profile link. This is a quick, reliable way to show your coding progress, contest ratings, and solve problems to recruiters, teammates, or friends. We'll keep it simple and make sure you get a clean link that works anywhere. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the LeetCode website. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your profile. You don't need to change anything else on the site. We're just heading straight to your profile page. Next, look to the top right corner of the LeetCode page. You should see your profile picture or avatar there. Even if you haven't set a custom image, there will be a default icon in that spot. Click that avatar to open a small menu. From the drop-down menu, click Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can see your username, stats, badges, recent activity, and other highlights. Take a moment to confirm you're on the main profile page and not on a specific problem, discussion, or submissions page. You want the general profile view so your link points to the right place every time. Now, move to your browser's address bar at the top. That address is your profile link. Click once to highlight the entire URL, then copy it. On most keyboards, you can use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. On mobile, tap the address to select it and choose Copy. This link is unique to your profile, so anyone with the URL can visit your page and see the information that's publicly visible. Finally, paste your link wherever you'd like to share it. You can add it to a resume, a portfolio site, a job application form, your LinkedIn profile, or a message to a friend or mentor. To paste, use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, or long press and tap Paste on mobile. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If your link includes extra characters after a question mark, you can remove those so the URL stays clean. If you want to double-check what others will see, open a private or incognito window, paste the link, and make sure it loads your profile correctly. And remember, visibility of certain stats may depend on your LeetCode settings, so share with confidence, knowing the link reflects what's publicly available. That's all there is to it. Go to LeetCode, open your profile from the top right avatar, copy the address bar URL, and paste it wherever you need. Thanks for watching and happy coding.